So I'm going to be calling the agent right now so you can hear for yourself.
Thanks for calling Dreamz United Roofers. This is Jade. How can I help you today?
Hello, Jade. Thanks for picking up the call on first ring. Um, what I'm going to do today is that I want to build a new roof for my house. Are you there?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes, I'm here. You're looking to build a new roof for your house. Great. Can I grab your name to get this started?
My name is Dream.
Thanks, Dream. What's the best phone number to reach you at in case it's different from the one you're calling
Reach me on the same phone number. This is my only phone number.
from? Perfect. Thanks for confirming. Do you know the approximate square meterage of your roof or the size of your home?
My home is um, a 15,000 square foot home.
Got it. 15,000 square feet. To help with the estimate, I'll convert that to square meters. That's about 1,393 square meters. Um, what's the current